Awesome and wonderful YouTube subscribers, here we are live from Surfers Paradise Beachfront area. Guys, today is a special day for us. We have a wonderful opportunity to meet Josh, the Wax Hand Man Master, and we are going to watch it live, his mastership at hand. Guys, he gave us the perfect and wonderful, unique opportunity to witness two hands being made, and we are ready to see what's on the menu today. So bear with me. The first stream is just for Wax Hand Man, the master of wax hands, Josh. And second stream we'll do the walkthrough. We'll see what's happening, what's in there. I'll give you kind of an intro, and we'll take a walk all the way down to Cavill Avenue just to show you what's happening in Saturday's kind of menu. So without further ado, let's rock and roll. I'll turn the camera around, show you what's out there, guide you through the stand. Your hand in wax. Guys, if you have an opportunity to come down to Surfers Paradise, look for Josh's stand, Your Hand in Wax. He is absolutely amazing, and his mastership is absolutely insanely, incredibly well done. Josh, thank you very much for allowing us to live stream from your stand, and I really appreciate the opportunity. And if you have any message for your viewers, for your fans, please do so. That's about it. No, hey, nowhere else. All right, guys. He is ready to start going. You guys made the decision what you guys want.
So we're going to do a lap up for these guys. So what we're thinking. Oh, that's what you're saying. Something like that.
Is that what you're saying there?
They're making the decision what they want to do, and they obviously decided for Love Hard.
Doing the thing.
So the reason we're putting the cold is that we want that back to safety hand. So we're going to go in there.
Guys, we are live from Josh's stand at Surfers Paradise Beachfront Markets, and witnessing the live making of wax hands. If you have any questions, guys, don't hesitate to ask, and we will answer it as soon as possible. Yeah. You heard, guys, there was a question. Was that wax hot? Wax is hot. Wax is definitely hot, otherwise it wouldn't be wax. It would be absolutely solid thing. So
we'll roll you over. We'll give her a quick clean up while it's nice and warm. Because we're out here in the elements. So the wind
There's only
gets
one
it.
missing thing in that hand right now.
What's missing there?
It's that 6 inch king.
See ya. Right. Yeah. Surfers Paradise. What do you do? Nice. You give her a wash and blow. Just proves once again you never know what you're going to run into. It's
Gold Coast for us.
and it's early. I expect that at 9 o'clock. It's not at 4. My goodness. It's on both. So what we do both of them white first, and then join them together. So we're halfway there.
Woohoo!
So pressure's on. So you have to don't stress too much.
Don't move your hand.
I can move it afterwards. Because wax, if it's not exactly right, I just heat it up and move it. It's fine. You find everyone puts too much pressure on themselves and they're standing there trying to hold the shape. Like, just relax, it's fine. It's just wax.
Guys, we're live from Josh's stand from a beachfront at Surfers Paradise. We're witnessing a live hand making in wax. Josh, the master of hand in wax. As I've said, guys, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. We will answer them live here from Surfers Paradise. Mastery. If you guys just tuning in, we are live from Gold Coast, Surfers Paradise. We are at the stand of Your Hand in Wax, and we are joining the master of hands in wax, Josh. While he's doing connecting, this is his business card, guys. If you need something, hang on, I'll just move my finger from the bottom of it. That's what it is. You can come here on Fridays and Saturdays after 4 o'clock. Josh is going to be there to accommodate your hands in wax desires. You name it, he'll do it. And if you guys remember, a couple of months ago, we created a video together with my daughter, and that's my daughter, Alma, and her boyfriend. So they made the decision to go into waxing.
Serious commitment.
Serious commitment.
That's one step, guys.
It's a big call coming in your hands together so everyone can see.
Sorry guys, I'll just step in front of you on the other, and go on the other side so I can take a different angle of Josh and his mastery. Josh's stand is located on the opposite side of the street where the Soul hotel is. Guys, if you're coming down to Surface Paradise, right opposite of Seoul, that's where you're gonna find awesome mastery of Josh's hands into wax hands too. Josh has just opening up a new business right in the middle of the Cavill Avenue. Josh, you want to talk about that a little bit?
Yeah.
So where's your shop?
See how it's going and clear? This one will change colour when it goes in the water.
Oh wow, that is awesome.
We've made a love heart. You guys like it?
I love it.
So yeah, we've found a little shop in the mall, so underneath Time Zone. So it's nice busy spot on the surface. 20th of September, so a couple of weeks.
20th of September, guys. He's opening up the shop right near the Cavill Avenue. Don't hesitate to visit. He is awesome guy. He'll do a lot of mastery on your hands.
Every day, every night. Yeah, who's in charge? Got us to get that home in one piece.
And while they're paying for it, I am going to show you what his hands can do. These are the models that Josh has on display.
Thank you guys. That's alright. Anytime.
And word of advice, when you get your wax hands, do not display them on sun exposed areas because they're gonna melt.
Leave it up on the dash, it'll melt after a while. We'll know whether you're having a good day or not, it'll be falling over.
Oh, you didn't show me from the close-up. How does it look like? Oh, that's nice.
Still warm.
Still warm? That's nice. That is good. Absolutely brilliant.
Now that it's cool, it'll last forever.
Except if you leave it in a sun-exposed area.
Away from the sun. They're pretty good now too, like they need 60 degrees on to melt, so it's got to be in the sun for a long time for it to burn, so they're pretty good.
Before we go, I'm just going to show you another lot that he's got here. And these are the models that you can get one when you come down to visit him. Different colors, different shapes, exposure. So you saw it, guys. This is your master of wax, Josh. So don't hesitate, come and see him, say good day, and do your hand in wax. Thank you, Josh, for having us here. Greatly appreciate it. And if you guys have any questions, give him a buzz. He'll be all right. Thank you very much, my man. Once again,
Thanks for doing it.
absolute pleasure. Guys, that was Josh, the master of waxing hands.